Namaskar, good evening. Myself Mrs. Priyanka Srivastav, PGT Biology, Kendriya Vidyalaya CRPF Durgapur. Today I am here to discuss the topic of NCERT book Class 12 Biology. The topic is the types of pollination, that is in chapter 3, plant reproduction. So here we will discuss the different types of pollination. Firstly, we should know what is pollination. Pollination is the transfer. Here you can see a flower. These yellow parts are anther. These yellow parts are anther. It is having the number of pollen grains. When these anthers having pollen grains, these pollen grains transfer from anther to the stigma. These red parts are stigma. When these anther transfer from anther to the stigma, this is called the pollination. In the chapter, there are 3 types of pollination. First one is autogamy. Autogamy means within a flower. If the pollen grain from the anther transfer to the stigma of the same flower, then we call it a autogamy. The condition is like in this flower. It is having both the male and female part, and the pollen grains are transferring from the anther to the stigma of the same plants, same flower. Then we call it a autogamy. But here in this case, this plant is having 2 flowers. First one is this and the second one is this. If the pollen from this flower is transferring to the another flower of the same plant, then we call it a geitonogamy. But if this is a one flower, this is the another flower of the same species, petunia, if the pollen grain transfer from this flower, pink color flower, to the purple color flower, which is the another plant, then this type of pollination is called as geitonogamy. So I hope you have understand. But in all 3 cases, in autogamy, where the pollen grain is transferring from the anther to the stigma of the same flower, that is a case of self-pollination, physically and genetically both. In this case, it is transferring to the same stigma of the same flower, so it is a self-pollination physically and genetically. But in the second case, in the geitonogamy case, the pollen grain is transferring from one flower to the another flower. So physically this is a cross pollination, but they belong to the same plant, so genetically it is a self pollination. So in geitonogamy, physically it is a cross pollination, but genetically it is a genetically it is self pollination, while physically it is a cross pollination. But in the third case, where the pollen grain is transferring from the flower of one plant to the flower of another plant, this case is called as geitonogamy. And here the physical and genetically it is both the cross pollination. Genetically both the flowers are different, they are producing the different flowers, different color flower, so genetically they are different, and the pollen is transferring from one flower to the another flower, so physically this is also a cross pollination. So I think that you have understood it properly. So there are 3 cases: autogamy, geitonogamy and xenogamy. Okay, thank you and hope you have understood it very well. We will meet in our next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.